Hey, what's up guys, I'm XLR8 here and today our video is on how to remove blackheads. Well, I have seen on the internet that most people are searching for how to remove blackheads. And well, I chose this topic because I love this topic and it is so interesting to talk about. So guys, blackhead forms when you go out and you sweat or some dirt comes on your face and you don't wash your face. Just because of that, your pores got blocked because pores got blocked with unwanted oil and stubborn dirt. And because of your pores got blocked, the blood flow in your pores got really slow down, and just because of that, blackhead formed. So guys, in order to solve this problem, the product comes in is the charcoal face masks. And guys, the charcoal face mask removes the pores of blackheads from your skin and also absorbs the stubborn dirt and also removes the chemicals and unwanted toxins from your skin, and this does contain salicylic acid in it. And guys, when you are facing blackheads, the masks contain salicylic acid is gonna be your best friend. And guys, salicylic acid is a lipophilic acid, which means it will fix your oily skin and clog the pores. And also guys, this product reduces sebum saturation, which means it can reduce your acne. And guys, this acid is anti-inflammatory, which means it will calm inflamed acne of your skin. And guys, this product is looking very promising. So guys, let's apply it on our skin and let's see what it does. Perfect. And guys, the product is applied now. My mouth is not moving because this is stuck in my mouth, and also I have applied on my eyebrows accidentally, but I have fixed that. And guys, this product is applied, so let's wait to dry it out. So let's wait until this dry out. So yeah. As you can see, the blackhead peel off mask really works well for me, and it will probably work well for you too. And guys, take one last tip after this: when you applied this product and removed it, just wash your face with the cold water, so because this product can open your pores and the cold water will close them down. And guys, this is it for today's video, and don't forget to give this video a like. That will be really so much appreciating for me. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel because I will always take new videos just like this one to my YouTube channel. And guys, this is it for today's video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because that will be really so much inspiring for me to make new videos. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you will get notified about every of my latest video. And guys, I think this is it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video.